Well, I just got back from a disco concert, believe it or not. So if my voice is all messed up, it's from me rocking out to the Bee Gees and Casey and the Sunshine Band in my Kiss shirt. All right, Save Club, what's going on with this dang thing? Is it going to be a worldwide phenomenon, success? Just going to, I don't know, disrupt the industry? I love that. Just about everything disrupts the industry. All right, now, are we going to shake things up with people that want to save money? In my opinion, no. It's going to make people excited. And for the first time ever, instead of Kim Kardashian and sports celebrities or Hollywood types or just people that are influencers that have millions of viewers, they make all the money when it comes down to promoting things online, like Instagram and whatnot, TikTok especially. Wouldn't it be nice that if you have a good experience with something and you spread the word about it, that you can get paid? I think you're going to like it. Is that going to disrupt anything? No. Is it going to make you excited to go out and just shout about some cool stuff? I really do think so. Every day, I like to talk about Save Club now. And I have other things I do. I'm not looking to retire. I actually enjoy working. I really do. But I can't wait to stop and at least put 1 to 2 hours of at least video where I just talk to you guys. That's my goal. I always look at my counter and go, okay, I made 2 or 3 or 4 10-minute videos. That's 40 minutes. Takes me probably another 40 minutes to upload and put a crappy thumbnail on it. So my commitment to myself is try to do a couple hours of things that promote Save Club. And if I can get paid, all of a sudden I feel like I'm Cory Kardashian. Okay? I played pretty good baseball, but I had my son about an hour outside of high school, so my big, massive baseball career I would have liked to have, that didn't work out. Football star? No, I would have liked to be that Tom Brady dude, but that didn't work out. And can I be Brad Pitt? Or I don't know who's the coolest actor. In my opinion, Clint Eastwood. He's by far, hands down, I just love Clint Eastwood. Just the coolest guy, and hopefully he's doing good. I think he's about 95 now, but boy, if I can get paid just by talking about some cool stuff, in my case, Save Club. I went to Discount Tire and saved hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a bunch of tires I needed, and they're super expensive. They really are. I had to get massive tires for a couple Hummers of mine and a big old Chevy Crew Cab Dually that has 6 tires. Ouch. But hundreds and hundreds of dollars came right back in my pocket. Then I could take that and go to Burger King and get a Whopper. And then go to the car wash and kind of take a bath. Sometimes I put the windows down and I like to put myself out and get me a free shower while I'm going through the automated car wash at Take 5 Car Wash. I'm not kidding. I really like doing that. That's why I wear a hat, because all of my hair, it got whipped off the other day. This is just a fake ponytail I got at Horsetails RS. Yeah, it looks kind of like a human. I mean, it's off a Shetland pony. So anyway, boy, what else have I saved on? Purple mattress. Oh my gosh, I could go on. Oh, Sirius XM. But do you guys go to Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's? Do you guys like to fly places? Do you ever go to the airport and need a ride? How about using Lyft here in America? All in the Save Club membership. What else is on there? Holy crap, I could go on and on. How about Popeye's chicken? Do you like pizza? Papa John? Papa Murphy's? All right. Do you have Domino's on your mind on speed dial? Maybe Subway sandwich? In there. Even Wendy's for those darn little Frosties. And I used to like Wendy's hamburgers. It seems like they're average right now. Maybe it's just the cooks. And in my opinion, this is what I really think. Kids now that are like 16 to 18, they're not dying to work in fast food. Now, back in my age group, that's all there were. That's all that you could do. Maybe dig a ditch somewhere, do some odds and ends, but all of us had to do like that fast food thing to order, I don't know, in order to put gas maybe in your car if you were lucky enough to have one in high school or whatnot. But now I really do think a lot of people want to make money online, including me. I'm born in the 60s. I want to make money online, and I am. Even my friends that are 50s, 40s, 30s, and I have a couple teeny boppers that I was just talking to the other day. They asked me, do you have any advice? Because I was like 45 years older, and they were both girls. And I just said, God, it seems like a lot of the money is online, unless you have a passion to be a surgeon or maybe a doctor, lawyer. This one girl, she wanted to be an airline pilot. And I'm like, that's awesome. I never hear that. It actually shocked me because it seems like a lot of teenagers, they want to be TikTok or Instagram famous. But if you really want to be such famous Insty or TikToky, what is better than making money by posting? Now, TikTok and Instagram, all those social media platforms, they're massive, but they're not my favorite. If I have to pick one, it's Facebook, and that's considered for the oldies. But I like it because you can text, you can talk, you can put pictures, videos. I just love Facebook. And I can do a video like this, put it right on Facebook, or go to my YouTube channel, put this on one of my playlists. In this case, if you go to my YouTube channel, just click the Save Club playlist. And I think I've already got 400 videos. Just in the last month, that's how many videos I like to make. And within 2 hours, that's always my goal. Work 2 hours a day just on Save Club. And I usually can squeak in about 3, 4, or 5 videos. And boy, oh boy, the more videos I make, the more I make money. Okay, make video, make money. Do you want to make video yourself? Probably not. How about if you join my team? How about if I show you how you can get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos already made, and they're neutral? And what I mean by that is you can upload them anywhere. We have short videos, long videos. Put them on Reels. Put them on Stories. Put them on TikTok. It seems like TikTok videos, some of them are only like 10, 15 seconds. We have those type of videos. We have long form videos that are a couple minutes, and they're more effective for me. I like to do videos like this so you can get to know my voice, my name. You can go to my Facebook page. You can see where I'm going and what I'm doing. You want to see the disco show I was at last night? Go to my Facebook page. If you want to see car shows that I'm at tonight, I'm going to a senior citizens home. It's called Legacy out in Taylorsville, Utah. I'm going to be with folks that are about 65 to 95. Last year, I hung out with a 97-year-old guy and a 103-year-old lady. And boy, it's just mind-blowing. The stories they have, the technology they have seen. Can you imagine popping out almost 100 years ago from 2025? Go back to 1925. I mean, the Titanic, it was at the bottom of the sea by then, and there were some cool airplanes and a couple cars and even Hoover Dam, I think. Oh, no, that was made in 30, wasn't it? 1930 something. But holy cow, can you imagine if you could beam yourself in the future, let's say even 25 years? Holy crap. That's scary. What is it now? 2025, 2050. I mean, I should be around. I think with good health, I can reach there, that area. I'm going to be about 85. I'm going to look a lot different. I'm still going to have a hat and a KISS t-shirt on. I'm going to have a white little thing on my chinny chin chin like Santa, but I'll probably have more wrinkles. And of course, I'll just use Preparation H or some skin cream to get rid of all my wrinkles. I already got a million of them. You can see the big one I got right underneath. Look at that. It's like the Grand Canyon. But if you could beam yourself 25 years in the future, are you going to be kind of bummed out that you didn't take a risk and try something because you're worried about what people will think if you fail? Or if you just fail in general, are you going to let the depression and kind of first bitten, twice shy factor come into effect? Don't let that happen. This opportunity is very affordable. And I get if you don't want to fail because it'll wipe you out financially and you're homeless and your family's disappointed. Do not do that. But guys, if you have $19.97 a month, you have a $20 bill where you can go online and save money on things that you're already buying or going to buy in the future. I sure in the hell would look into it. Do you have 1, 2, 3 $20 bills? $60. Now you can earn money, and by talking like a Kardashian, I am now Cory Kardashian, or a sports figure, maybe someone cool like Clint Eastwood, or an actor that you see on TV promoting a product. That's kind of how I look at this Save Club opportunity, because you can get paid through the affiliate opportunity. I've made thousands and thousands and thousands over the last month, 45 days. I've saved $900 on things that I had to buy no matter what. Tires, mattresses. I did not have to go out and eat and drink, but I'm addicted to it. And if I'm driving by somewhere and I can save $5, I'm going to do it. And if I need tires and I can save hundreds of bucks, you sure as shit, I'm going to do that, folks. Okay? And I know you would too. So I took the $20 faith leap, and wow, did it pay off in hundreds of dollars of bills coming back in my pocket. Now I can go buy a KISS lamp, a KISS t-shirt, and maybe a KISS lamp down here. How about a KISS lava lamp? Okay? And I'll tell you what, all 3 or 4 of those things are way over $900. So Thank goodness I saved that much so I could go buy a bunch of crazy things to put in my background that's distracting. How about my mini fridge from Walmart? All right, how about some of my products that are good for you and bad for you? I have sugar cereal right mixed in with my wheatgrass juice and my protein powder. But I like to be real. I don't have to fake to make, guys. You don't have to talk about things and inflate the amounts or the discounts or the opportunity. With Save Club, it's up to you. Search around for things you're already buying. And if it's in our back office, which just about every product and service will be, we're only 24 days old, remember? So give us another month or two. Give us another 3 to 6 months. And then, yes, Portugal. Yes, Asian areas. Yes, down under in Australia and across to Brazil. How about up there in Greenland, Iceland? Above me in Canada, down below in Mexico. We're going to be in every city, state, and country, guys. I have no doubt. We'll have eventually 5 to 10 million members, just like Priceline, just like Groupon, just like Orbitz and all these other Save Clubs. But they don't have affiliate opportunities where you can become the Kardashian. You can get paid. And all you have to do is just invite people to a link to watch a short video, and you're in or out. And that's all I do, and I'm going to show you. Okay? So thanks for the last 11 minutes. I think you like to save money. That's a no-brainer. And if you watch my video this long, you're probably interested in seeing how I've signed up well over $100 or 100 people. I've made thousands of dollars. And it's by doing this, just by inviting people to links that go directly to my account. joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to get more information or join. When you go there, all you're going to do is just click this button right here. Boom. And you're going to go to this exact page and watch this little YouTube video. It's our founder. It's nice to just listen to his voice. But check out that video. It's short. It's just a YouTube video. And put your information right here. Hit that orange button. You're going to get an email. And yes, you can either get information about Save Club or join, or you can just delete it and you're on your way. That's what's ingenious about this opportunity, okay? Now, I'm going to leave you with this. I've signed up over 70 people with the funnel system. It's only $25. You can check it out, and if you don't want it, then get rid of it. Okay? SaveClubFunnels.com. If you've already signed up in Save Club and you're stuck, SaveClubFunnels.com. If you want to join the biggest group in Save Club with the most success that dominate the leaderboard, SaveClubFunnels.com. All you got to do is just fill out the little button here. Okay, see that little white rectangle? Go ahead and hit Let's All Rock, and boom. I'm going to show you the video and put your own email in. That's what I mean by filling out the white rectangle. Now this right here, it's basically like a YouTube video. Click it. It's 20 minutes long. It explains and over-explains Save Club so you do not have to. You invite people to this funnel system, it's game over. Because people can either join Save Club or get the new funnel. If you're already in Save Club, then just get the new funnel. Click that button. And if you want to save, then yes. That red button is just sitting there for you. You can see $60. You got to be an affiliate and member at the same time. So you're going to blow about $80 minus 3 pennies. And to get the new funnel, we accept lots of payment. You can see right here, guys, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Click that little red button. I'll send you an email how to set up everything. It's super easy. It takes like 15 minutes. And basically, you're just putting your information from Save Club into the funnel and hitting save. Then you're going to have your own link. And I hope that you do what I do. Just keep things fun and simple. And we have a lot of training, how to TikTok, how to Facebook, how to upload to Twitter or X, whatever it's called this week. We have advice how to find just groups on Facebook where you can post and share information. But you're going to belong to not one, but 2 of the biggest, most successful groups. And it's invite only. We don't let anyone in our group that just kicks tires. We want people that want to be affiliates and make money and kick ass. And I couldn't be more serious. Let's make it fun. But right now, we're 24 days old. We need you because we have thousands of people a day signing up, and we have hardly any affiliates because most people join to worry about saving money in the membership area. But people forget, for only $60, you sign those people up. The company doesn't. There isn't an operator that says, "Hi, Save Club, would you like to sign up today?" That's what we do. That's what an affiliate does. That's what Kardashians do when they get a pile of cash. They get a lot of people to their social media platforms. They talk about something and they get paid. Well, guess what? I talk about Save Club and I get paid. And I didn't know I'd make this much money the first 45 days. I'm still freaking out. To save and earn money at the same time and help people be successful with SaveClubFunnels.com. Wow. I've made about $1,500 with the funnel system because they have an affiliate section. So I've made about $1,500 and it's recurring. I'm going to get that $1,500 next month and next month and next month because I sign up about 30, 40 people per month with Save Club, times out by $20 for each person. The company will pay me $20, not out of your pocket. You know how exciting that is to get recurring income? Like next month, I'll probably forget that I even have my Save Club funnel pile of cash coming. I'm going to look down at my account and have a couple $1,000, and I'll probably even have more and more as it escalates every month. And it's by helping people get unstuck and kick ass in Save Club. So those are both my links. All I do is invite people to both of them all day. And I don't do just one. I do both links because some people need to join saveclub.org and some people need to get unstuck and join a badass team that's going to help you kick ass. Okay, you can do this. All right, guys, my 15 minutes is up. Thanks for hanging out with me an extra minute. I always try to do my little half webinars at 15, but I always like to talk to you folks a couple minutes longer. But anyway, thank you for your time. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. Email me anytime with questions. I'll help you if I can. If you're in my group or not, it don't matter. The more people that join Save Club, the more deals we're going to have, the more popularity and worldwide recognition we're going to have. And yes, I think the potential money that I can put in mine and yours pockets is going to increase. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're on there now, just hit that little button or whatever so you get notified every time I put Save Club videos up, okay? All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you soon.